Hello everyone. Now we will show you how to quote a Hagercad project. For this, click on Quotation. The project structure tree is displayed on the left side. If you click on the main switchboard, you will find the equipment list, the prices, and the total project price for both enclosures. Then, we will add a few elements to the quotation. For this, click on Labor and Accommodation. This menu contains the purchase price of the additional equipment for mounting and wiring. There is a default percentage of 4%, which is also converted into the local currency. Some services can be added into the Services tab. Click on Plus. In this example, we will add a study at €500 and some transport fees at €1,250. In the Labor tab, we can find the mounting labor, the cabling labor, and other labor types. If the calculated time is not correct, it can be modified in the column Corrected Time. In this example, we will change it to 2 hours. The ratio is automatically calculated accordingly, and so on. In the right column, you can find the total purchase price, which is the corrected time multiplied by the hourly rate. Then click on Update the selected location and Close. After this, we will inform about the commercial conditions. First, make sure the price list is the right one. The manufacturer discount should be fulfilled. It may either be a global discount or according to the price group or by net price product by product. Click on Apply the commercial conditions to the project to validate, and you can close. Select Sales to enter the settings related to the sales. In that menu, we can see the project structure with the different locations. The prices we have completed before are visible, and a percentage of margin can be added. The additional equipment, the services, and the labor with the total time modified, and the purchase price are also visible. Finally, at the very bottom is the total of the project, and a margin percentage can be added. Click on Apply to validate and close. Back on the home page, you can find the total project price and the total for each location.